We'll guide you through how to perform a Namecheap WHIS lookup. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Namecheap website at namecheap.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top navigation bar and you'll see an option labeled Domain Tools. Click on that and then select WHIS Lookup from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the WHIS Lookup page. On this page, you'll see a search bar where you can enter the domain name you want to look up. Type in the domain name and click on the search button. The WHIS Lookup will then retrieve and display the public registration information for the domain. This can include details like the registrar, registration dates, and contact information for the domain owner, depending on privacy settings. If the domain has WHIS protection enabled, some information might be hidden, but you'll still get key details about the domain's registration status. Remember, WHIS information can be useful for checking the availability of a domain name or verifying current ownership details. If you're frequently looking up domains, you might want to bookmark this tool for easy access in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.